Meyers Manx. 4 pans are very time consuming. By the time you cut out the old ones and fit the new ones, you'll wonder why you didn't buy a brand new bearing frame and be done with it. This Manx was shortened, but it was crooked by 1/4 inch. The right side was longer than the left side. Plus, it was a little bit too long. So when the pans were off, I cut the main tube housing, shortened it, and straightened it. I took my tape measure and measured every possible thing you could measure to make sure it was right this time. Measured from the center of the front horn there back to this hole, this front hole, the front of the axle tube. I mean, everything I could think of. The main tunnel is 5.5 inches wide, so you can take your tape measure from there out and make sure it matches your Manx body. Once I got that done, I cut the first pan, the front pan, to 42 inches straight across. I took about 12 inches out of the rear section and then cut it from here straight up. Originally there's a dog leg in this outer beam, in this outer channel, so that gets cut out. Then I fitted this piece so it was straight, at least as straight as you could get it. Then after that was tacked in place, I then trimmed and fit the other panel. The floor pan pieces are cut and tack welded where they should be. I put a lot of time and thought into this. I have the side here running smooth. It's a nice transition. The same as on this side. It's a nice smooth transition. I even cut it so that the slope is still in there the way it used to be. All the metal is butted up against each other. It's not an overlap at all. There's no overlap. But it makes for a real nice job. I wanted to show you what you can do if you put some time into it and some thought. Like I said, it's a lot of work, but I spent the time instead of the money. Meyers Manx. Later.